Okay, next problem is acceptance rejection technique using Poisson distribution. How the Poisson distribution algorithm will work. Poisson distribution algorithm says first step set n equal to 0, p equal to 1. Second step says generate random number ri and replace p by p is equal to p into ri. Third step, p should be less than equal to e to the power of minus alpha. If p is less than e to the power of minus alpha, accept it, otherwise reject. If p is less than e to the power of minus alpha, accept, set uppercase n value with small n and continues with the step from 1 to 3. Otherwise, reject, increment small n by 1 and repeat the step from 2 to 3. This is an algorithm for acceptance rejection technique using Poisson distribution. Let's see the question. Generate 3 Poisson variates with mean value 0.2. Consider the random number. The random numbers are given. We need to generate 3 Poisson variates from the given sample data. First, we need to find e to the power of minus alpha. E to the power of minus alpha is 0.8187. So plot the table, write down n, p, np, rn, this is an rn, then p is equal to p into ri, p should be less than e to the power of minus alpha, then uppercase n is equal to small n. Now first step says set n equal to 0, p equal to 1, n equal to 0, p equal to 1. Second step says generate random number. Generate random number from the question. The random number is 0.4357. 0.4357. 0.4357. Then p is equal to p into rn plus 1. 1 into 0.4357 equal. Then e to the power of minus alpha is 0.8187. So p should be less than e to the power of minus alpha. P value is 0.4357 is less than 0.8187. Yes, p is less than e to the power of minus alpha. Say accept. Accept, then set uppercase n is equal to small n. Small n value is 0. So uppercase n equal to 0. Then continue this step. Repeat this step from 1 to 3. Again we need to repeat this step from 1 to 3. The first step says n equal to 0, n equal to 0, p equal to 1. Then second step says generate random number ri. Second random number is 0.4146. Generated second random number 0.4146. Then multiply 0.4146 into 1. We got 0.4146. Now 0.4146 is less than 0.8187. 0.4146 is less than 0.8187. So accept it. Accept, set small n is equal to uppercase n is equal to small n. And repeat this step from 1 to 3. Again step 1 is set n equal to 0, p equal to 1. Second step, generate the random number from the sample data. Second random number is 0.8353. 0.8353. Now multiply 0.8353 into 1. You will get 0.8353. Now 0.8353 is less than e to the power of minus alpha. No, so reject. So reject it. Increment small n by 1. Now small n is 0. Now increment by 1. Small n became 1. Repeat this step from 2 to 3. Directly we have to go for step 2 to 3. Now this p value we got from here. Previous p value. Now write down 0.8353. Then multiply 0.8353 with next random number. That is second step. Generate random number. The next random number is 0.9952. 0.9952. Now multiply 0.9952 with 0.8353, will get 0.8312. Then third step, 0.8312 is less than 0.8187. No, so otherwise reject it. Reject. Then increment small n by 1. Now small n was incremented 1 to 2. Then continue with the step 2 to 3. Continue with the step 2 to 3. Now this p value is got from previous p value 0.8312. 0.8312. Generate next random number. Second step says next random number is 0.8004. 0.8004. Now multiply 0.8004 with 0.8312, will get 0.6652. 0.6652 is less than 0.8187. Yes, so accept it. Accept n equal to 2. Assume there is a one more random number is there, that is 912. Then if it is accepted, then repeat this step from 1 to 3. Then next case the n became 0, p became 1. Next random number is 0.9192. 0.9192. 9192. 912. Multiply 1 with 0.912. 912. 912 is less than 0.8187. No, so reject. Reject. Set. Reject. So put dash here. Then set increment n by 1. Then 1 n will become as 1, like that. Now consider another case. Generate 5 Poisson variates with mean equal to 0.2. Only this much question is given, but the random numbers are not given. So you need to generate a random number in a such a way that the assumed random number should be between 0.25 less than e to the power of minus alpha. Assume all the random number, it should be between 0.25 to the e to the power of minus alpha, so that the assumed the random numbers are going to be accepted. So I will assume the random number as 0.35. 0.35 is less than e to the power of minus alpha. 0.35 is less than e to the power of minus alpha, yes, so it is accepted. Second, I will assume 36. 0.36 is less than e to the power of minus alpha, yes, it is also accepted. 0.56. 0.56 is less than e to the power of minus alpha, yes, again accepted. 0.67 is my another random number I assumed. Okay, 0.67 is less than e to the power of minus alpha, yes, again it is accepted. 0.72 is less than e to the power of minus alpha, yes, again it is accepted. The question says generate 5 Poisson variates, means when all the 5 generated random number is accepted, then we will say the generated Poisson variates are n equal to 0, n equal to 0, n equal to 0, n equal to 0, n equal to 0. Now to solve this problem, follow the same steps.